Berry Dream Cake. Ingredients: 1 package white cake mix, regular size. 1½ cups boiling water. 1 package, 3 ounces, cherry gelatin. 1 package, 8 ounces, cream cheese, softened. 2 cups whipped topping. 4 cups fresh strawberries, coarsely chopped. Directions: prepare and bake cake mix batter according to package directions, using a greased 13 by 9 inches baking pan. In a small bowl, add boiling water to gelatin. Stir 2 minutes to completely dissolve. Cool cake on a wire rack 3 to 5 minutes. Using a wooden skewer, pierce holes in top of cake to within 1 inch of edge, twisting skewer gently to make slightly larger holes. Gradually pour gelatin over cake, being careful to fill each hole. Cool 15 minutes. Refrigerate, covered, 30 minutes. In a large bowl, beat cream cheese until fluffy. Fold in whipped topping. Carefully spread over cake. Top with strawberries. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving.